Las Vegas. Here we go again, another productive day. You're looking at a 2020 Infiniti Q60. We did Phantom S7, 15% all the way around. Nothing on the front windshield. Nice two-door coupe right here, Infiniti Q60 2020, brand new. 15% all the way around, Phantom S7. On this side over here, we got this Lexus RX 350, brand new, 2020. Actually did, on this one, we did Phantom S5 by Nano window film. So basically nothing on the front windshield on this one. We did 20% over the back 3 windows, rear sides and back. 5% on the front to match the rear. And then to end this video, we got this nice 2020 Tesla Model Y. We did the whole thing. Phantom S9, up to 93% heat rejection on this one. Back window 50%, rear sides 50% as well. Sunroof 50% S9. So you can tell the sunroof is really big, so obviously we always do it in one piece. 50% over the rear windows, once again 15 on the front too, to blend in with the rear windows. Put it like this so you kind of have a better look at it. So sunroof S950 on the sunroof, windshield S950 as well. Tesla Model Y. Look at the front windshield, really nice. S950. Customer is gonna really enjoy this one. This glass is basically, I'm gonna say 25-30% all glass, so check it out just for you to enjoy. All right guys, stay cool out there and follow us on Instagram. Give us a like on our Facebook page for more. All right, thank you for watching.